What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this video. In this video I am going to show you how to get unlimited Facebook traffic for free. I will show you all the Facebook traffic methods that will help you to generate unlimited free traffic from Facebook. I will show you step by step every method, every steps, and that you can follow for getting your Facebook traffic. If you are a newbie or an expert, it doesn't matter. You have to follow all those methods for getting Facebook traffic. But at first, I want to say I don't promote any software, or I don't support any software or recommend any software for getting your Facebook traffic. I don't like any software. I hate software, and no software works for generating traffic. So guys, you have to grow your Facebook traffic day by day gradually, and for this reason you have to wait few days, few months for getting your free traffic, free unlimited traffic from Facebook. But if you want overnight success within one day, 1 week, 1 month, then I can say it's not possible. No method, no software, or no training program will help you to generate overnight success, overnight traffic, overnight sales, overnight commissions in online marketing. So guys, I will show you step by step everything. But before this, I am Raju Bhadro, affiliate marketer of Legendary Marketer, ClickBank, JBJU, and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, and I am working here for last 8 years. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, you see here it's my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro. Hit the subscribe button to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification button for getting new updates, new videos, and new info inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel, you see here, and you see here I am uploading videos in the daily basis, a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel, like ClickBank, free traffic, high ticket program, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, a lot of info inside my YouTube channel. So if you subscribe my YouTube channel, you never be disappointed why I am subscribing this YouTube channel. But I assure you, for long-term online marketing, for long-term affiliate marketing, this YouTube channel will help you a lot. You see here I am uploading videos in the daily basis, a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. So if you are a newbie or an expert, it doesn't matter. Every video, every info is mandatory, is helpful for making money online, for getting a lot of new info about make money online marketing. So guys, hit the subscribe button to be fast viewer of my new videos, new updates, and new info inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make over 10,000 per month like me, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. You will get a link that will help you to generate big money from online. And if you want to get 8 traffic sources, then check my video description and get the 8 traffic secret of Russell Brunson, the number on millionaire, the number on online marketer, the number on entrepreneur of online marketing, and you will get all the 8 traffic sources inside my video description. So guys, I will show you how to get unlimited Facebook traffic for free, and it's a proven Facebook tutorial. I will show you all those methods that will help you to generate unlimited Facebook traffic for free, and you have to apply those methods for generating Facebook traffic. Not only you, all the marketers like me and other marketers also use those methods for generating free Facebook traffic. Literally, if you want to get Facebook traffic, then you have to choose two ways. One is free, another is paid. But paid is paid, and I will show you all the free methods. So guys, let's check into my computer and see all the free methods that I will show. I personally apply all those methods, and a lot of marketers apply all those methods for generating unlimited free Facebook traffic, and you will also do it if you follow all the steps. So don't miss any part of this video, and if you first inside my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos, new videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. A lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel, so don't miss any videos inside my YouTube channel. So guys, let's check it. And at first I want to show you the best part of Facebook traffic. If I say the best part of Facebook traffic, then you see here you can generate unlimited Facebook traffic. So over 2.7 billion people use Facebook, so all are the targeted customer for you. But you have to choose your niche first. What niche you want to promote? It may be fitness and health, it may be make money, it may be home and gardening, it may be dog training, it may be beauty, it may be phone accessories, it anything as your wish. So you have to get your targeted traffic as your targeted niche. So if you use Facebook traffic, then the best part, you can generate unlimited traffic. Okay, then you can do everything using your mobile phone. At first you have to set up all of your tasks, then you can browse your mobile phone the Facebook and do everything using your Facebook. Okay, then 100% beginner friendly. Facebook is one of the best favorite traffic for all the beginners because it's newbie friendly, user friendly, so anyone can apply it. And Facebook traffic is perfect for any niche. So that I already said it. If you are a promoter of health and fitness, make money online, sports, beauty, everything, you can promote frequently inside Facebook. So all those best part are included inside Facebook traffic. So don't miss any part of this video, and don't miss how to generate unlimited Facebook traffic for free. So guys, let's check it. Now you see here all the Facebook traffic ways. Number one, growing your Facebook friends. Okay, then real life storytelling. It's the best traffic sources, best ways to generate Facebook traffic. It's my favorite. Then Facebook group, it's another best. Then Facebook page, it's another best. Then Facebook comment and Facebook message. Last two ways I personally don't like it, but if you are a green newbie, if you are a totally newbie, then you can follow this method and generate your traffic. I can't assure you you will make sales, you will get unlimited traffic, but you can apply it, and I will show all these 6 ways how to apply all these 6 ways and how to generate free traffic using all those 6 ways. So guys, way number 1, it's growing your Facebook friends. You see here, it's my Facebook page, it's my Facebook profile. So way number 1, you have to grow your friend list, targeted friend list for getting targeted traffic, but you have to make your friends as your super targeted. Otherwise, don't make your friend, because Facebook has a limit of friend list, because if you can make 5,000 friends in your friend list, so you have to choose all the targeted people. Otherwise, don't make friends. Okay, and for this reason I prefer more and more Facebook page, because here is no limits. Okay, so at first, the way number one, you have to grow your targeted Facebook friends. Now you can say, how can I get my targeted Facebook friends? Suppose, like me, you are a make money promoter, or if you are a digital product promoter, if you are a digital marketer, then you have to join various related groups. As a digital marketer, as a affiliate marketer, I have to join all these make money related groups, affiliate marketing related groups, digital product selling marketed groups. And for this, you see here, it's one of the affiliate marketing group, affiliate marketing all right, it's the group. So visit this type of groups, then you will see a lot of posts here. And here is, when you see few comments and few likes of any post, then stop here. And you see here, you see some post related with info, I want info. So make friend those people who wants info. That means those guys are interested to make money online, or your targeted niche. So make those people to your friend. Or you see here, in this post, 6 guys like this post, so you can send friend request these 6 guys, then 29 comments. You can send friend request these 29 peoples, but make 10 to 15 friend requests per day. Don't make it overwhelmed. Then Facebook your Facebook your suspend your account for 24 hours or 48 hours. Then Facebook can ask your identity verification. So don't make anything as a robot. Make your behavior as a human. So make 5, 10, 15 people per day. And I already said it, you have to grow your Facebook traffic day by day. Don't want to get overnight results, overnight traffic. So make it 5, 10, 15 friends per day. Then 1 month or 2 months later, it will be huge. Okay, so you can check this type of post and you can make those friends. Then you see here is 2 people, you see info, so this guy is interested, so make friend, send add friend and make friend. Okay, you see this guy, 2 guys are comment here, 2 guys are comment here, 17 comments, a lot of people are interested, 4 comments. So you have to choose the targeted people for making friends. Okay, that's it. It's the best way to make targeted peoples to your friend. So guys, that's it. Now real life storytelling, and I always prefer this way. It's the real way to generate targeted traffic, to generate sales in using Facebook traffic. And before start storytelling, you have to make targeted people friends. So it's the first step. You have to grow your friend list first, then you can start your storytelling. In the case of storytelling, you see here, if you check my profile, then you can see here various online marketing, online business related posts here. Some of my working results here. And you see here a lot of people like it, comment here. Then you see another post here on 54 likes, 56 comment. You see here 19 likes, 26 comments. So it's the storytelling. So you have to be a storyteller for making sales on Facebook traffic. Okay, fine. I personally don't use my Facebook profile for making sales, but I show you my one of my friend. You see here, Joshua Ong. If you see his profile, then you see here 307 likes, 263 comments. You see here, you see here. It's all of the storytelling, part of storytelling. You see the image, but inside the image all are the storytelling. Okay, then if you see another guy, you see here another my another friend. Is Chris Pong. You see here 21 comments, 47 comments, 44 comments. So you have to be a storyteller for making sales from Facebook traffic. Okay, now way number 3, Facebook group, and it's one of the best way for generating Facebook traffic. And for this you can make your own Facebook group. If you see my Facebook group, you see here it's my Facebook group. And if you can grow your group, then you can pin your post at first, then you can get a lot of engagement inside your Facebook group, as like as the way number 4, it's Facebook page. And if you see my Facebook page too, so Facebook group and Facebook page, growing Facebook group and Facebook page almost same. You have to share content inside your Facebook group or your Facebook pages. So you see here, here is my Facebook group and it's my Facebook page. Answer with Raju. If you don't like my Facebook page, like my Facebook page for getting a lot of info inside my Facebook page. I try my best to share everything inside my Facebook page. Basically, I promote, I grow my Facebook page using Facebook, all those 6 ways. If you ask me which ways you way to grow your Facebook traffic, Raju, then I will say I grow my Facebook page for getting Facebook traffic. Every 6 ways isn't possible to generate Facebook traffic, but I try to grow my Facebook page for growing my Facebook traffic. You see here a lot of helpful content inside my Facebook page. I try my share everything inside my Facebook, and here is enough connection. You see here enough connection inside my Facebook page, and day by day it's growing. And now you can say I have no content, then how can I grow Facebook group or Facebook pages? Okay, it doesn't matter. Search Facebook to your according niche, then share other people's helpful content to your page. You have to help people by providing info. That it would be your own content, that would be other people's content. It doesn't matter. You have to provide the helpful content. That's it. So guys, way number 3 and 4 is Facebook group and Facebook page. So grow your Facebook group and Facebook page day by day and generate unlimited traffic. And if you can grow it once, then you will get unlimited traffic for a lifetime. So it will take time, but the results is for evergreen, for unlimited time. Now these two ways, Facebook comment and Facebook message. You can comment, and for this you have to go any Facebook group. You see here it's the Facebook group, one of the group, affiliate marketing, all right, the targeted niche, and you can message those guys who want info, such as when you make friends your for your to a Facebook friend, like as message those guys according promoting any niche and make comment for getting traffic, and don't make 4 or 5 comments at a time. Then Facebook will flag your comment or flag your message. And for Facebook message and Facebook comment, you have to use your targeted groups, and you will get a lot of people here, and you can post, you can comment any inside any post, but I recommend you to post where most engaged post, which is most engaged post, such as here is 1 like and 18 comment. So use your comment or your comment which post is most engaged, such as 50 comments, 20 comments, so much, so comment, and make your comment here. Then you will get more and more better results. And as the same way, you can message these guys who want to make money online, who want to info, so message them in Facebook and you can get results. But I personally don't like this comment or message portion, because it's you don't get more and more better results using these these two ways. But you can apply it if you are a totally newbie, and if you want to make few dollar, just few dollar, then you can apply those methods. But use all those 4 ways for getting unlimited free traffic from Facebook. So guys, that's it. If you think these 6 ways will help you to make unlimited free traffic from Facebook, then like this video, and if you have any question, then comment in the comment box. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos, new videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. A lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. You see here, it's an educational YouTube channel. A lot of educational videos, a lot of marketing statistics, traffic statistics, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo marketing, everything inside this YouTube channel. And I hope you will get a lot of info. You never be disappointed if you subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, that's it. See you soon. God bless you. So guys, before saying bye, I want to again repeat all those 6 ways. At first, you have to grow your Facebook friends. Then after growing your Facebook friends, start your real life storytelling. Then grow your Facebook groups. Then grow your Facebook pages. And if you are a totally newbie, totally green newbie, then use those 2 methods, Facebook comments on Facebook message. But I don't like those 2 ways. But using all those 6 ways, you can get Facebook free traffic. So guys, that's it. See you soon. God bless you, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.